Gather round, folks, for a tale of what's dead and alive. The only thing certain, OP Cat exists and thrives. My people went out in frozen conditions, tirelessly searching, headstrong on a mission. Clever as they are, they called on the youth. With fresh eyes, perhaps, beyond the quantum wall they could sleuth. Age may be blind, they thought and they pondered. They must seek younger minds which have yet to be squandered. Innocent perspectives have helped some, however, the search for OP Cat remains the endeavour. Nothing was working, the search hit a wall. I knew I must help, I knew how to enthrall. So I took to the realm, wizard staff in hand. I brought the cat with me, alive from my land.
Now, what you will be looking for is this cat. This cat is alive. 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 We've learned alive. Living, non-living. This cat is living. This cat is non-living. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you are looking for the cat that is living. Is he living? No. So if I swap them like this, is the top one now, is he living? No. If I put it at the back, is he living? No. If I put it in the middle, is he living? Wait, is he living? No. Is he living? No. All of them not living. Alright, what about him? No. Not living. 1. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, not living. Look. So that's 1 not living. 2 not living. 3 not living. 4 not living. Wait a second. Alright, well, let's have a look. We have 4 here. Let's see. Is this one living? Is this one living? Yes. 1 living. 1 living. Now we have, is this one living? Yes. 2 living. Is this one living? Yes. 3 living. Is this one living?
At last, OP Cat's been found safe and sound. Satoshi's work lives on, and it's Bitcoin bound. I have completed my deeds here, I bow to you all. If you need me, I'm on chain. Just give me a call.